let's look at these problems. So B, how many across is B? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would have a 6 by 9 and would have 54. All right, C. How many do I have going across? 6. Going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 5. C 35. D. Who did D? Christiana. How many cross?
4.
How many tall?
20.
So 4 times
8.
20 equals 80. E. Who had E?
Nobody.
This table had E.
7. 7 in. 7 down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's 100.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 7 by 20, 140. Okay, so what would the square units be of a 3 by 5? 15. 3 by 50? So look, 3 times 5 is what? 15. And how many zeros do you have? 1. So you just put 1 on the end. Okay, look at 30 times 50. What's 3 times 5? 15. How many zeros do I have? 1, 2. So I write 2 zeros on the end. That's it.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? There are so many secrets to math. Alright, so today we are going to work on, I could use arrays and mental math to multiply 2-digit numbers. Okay, so here is our first method. This looks a little scary, I know. So what they have done is done a 2 by 30 rectangle. Down the side, I have how many? 2. So this would equal 2. And then I've got 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this is 30. But they've broken it up into 10. Okay? So this block right here is a 1 by 10. So what's the area of that? 10. 1 by 10? So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 2 times 30 would equal 60. So this is just one way of looking at the array to find the multiplication problem. Yes?
Did they keep it like that so they didn't know all you gotta do is just come up to change the difference? So
That was one way. I'm going to show you, this week we're going to start bigger multiplication. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different ways. So if you like drawing the picture out like this, and that makes sense to you, you can do it this way. Throughout the week, I'm going to show you other ways to do it. And if you like one of those ways better, then do it that way. Okay? This is up to you. Alright. So, another way that we could do this is 2 times 30. So, 2 is 2 times 1. 30 would be what times 10? 3. Okay? So then, into, so we can, because multiplication is commutative. I've got 1 times 10. So what else do I have left? I took out the 1 and the 10. What's left? 2 times 3. So this would be a 2 times 3. So what's 2 times 3? 6. And 1 times 10 is 10. So 6 times 10 gives me 60. So whisper to your partner, how could we use mental math to solve this problem? How could we use mental math to solve this problem? Alright. This might help you to figure out the answer to that question. Look at this problem. 2 times 3 is 2 times 30 is 20 times 30 is. Okay, so how are these three problems similar? What are they similar, Brian? What's similar about all of these problems? It's, I have a 2 times 3. Here I've got 2 times 3, but it has an extra 0. And here I've got 2 times 3, and it has 2 extra zeros. Brian? Yeah, so it all starts with a 6 because of the what problem? 2 times 3. Okay? How are these equations different? What's different about them? What's different? It gets bigger. We've got different numbers, right? But the basic problem of 2 times 3 is the same. Okay? So let's look. This is a really key thing, and I hope you guys see this, because this is really easy, and it's a good thing for you to remember. Okay? So here, this is our basic fact. What I was saying before. So 2 times 3. You guys know that one. 2, 4, 6. Okay. So here, in this problem, I've got a 2 times 3. So just blank out this 0 for a second. Forget it's there. So my problem is 2 times 3. And look, I have this 0, so I've got 1 0. How many zeros do I have in my answer, my product? 1. So this 1 0 comes over here. Now look, again, forget this 0 and this 0. I have 2 times 3, which is my 6. And then this 0 comes here, and this 0 comes here, and I get 600. So try this real quick. I have, what would that be? 8. Because 4 times 2 is 8. And then this 1 0 gives me 80. Now if I did, I would do 4 times 2 and get 8. This 0 comes over. This 0 comes over, and I get 600. Does that make sense? So you can find the basic fact in this problem when there's zeros on the end. Okay? Questions about that? This is how we're going to help ourselves to do mental math. Okay, let's use mental math, and I want you to solve these problems. Let's do the first 3 together, and then you're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with your partner at your table. So what's 9 times 2?
18.
18. So what would 9 times 20 be?
80.
100. So I would do the 9 times 2, and I get 18. And I add on 3 times 2? 6. So 3 times 2 is 6 with 1 0. 6 times 8.
48.
So 6 times 8 is 48. But 60 times 80. So I do my basic problem. 6 times 8. So what's 6 times 8? We said it right there, 48. And I add 0 and another 0, and I get 4,800. You didn't know you could multiply such big numbers in your head, did you? Alright, I want you, with your partner, to work on 4, 5, 6, 7,